June 9th, 2019, Long Island, New York, East Coast, United States. Toxic chemical poisoning of humanity continues. They're doing it in little spurts here to make it less obvious, make us more indoctrinated into their wicked, evil ways. Of course, over the sun, which has what effect? When 99% of the sky, even these, see these little, call them sprits. One in the middle of the screen there, one to the right, this one to the top left here, that little line. And we're surrounded by it, 360 degrees. This has been going on all morning. This is actually light. This is a little heavy over here. Speak out against this, folks. Go to geoengineeringwatch.org. That's geoengineeringwatch.org. Download those flyers, brochures, print them at vistaprint.com, hand them out to news stations, go to your town hall meetings, demand this stop 100%. That disclosure of what was in the chemicals, and a case action lawsuit fund set up for damages. God bless you.